Continue salt of oxoacid. Stability of carbonate and bicarbonate. Stability of carbonate and bicarbonate increases. Y means due to the degrees of polarizing power. Degrees of polarizing power. That means soluble will be decreased. So stability of carbonate and bicarbonate increases. Except lithium carbonate. Lithium carbonate less stable and readily decomposed. Come to the reaction Li2CO3. Y taken 2 times means that CO3 2 minus extra 2 charge. So satisfied 2 lithium will be taken. Readily decomposed means heat symbol. Lithium oxide and carbon dioxide will be released. Carbon dioxide formula CO2. So that only one oxygen is released. So how many lithium? 2 lithium. So write Li2O. Alkyl metal strongly basic. Strongly basic except lithium, because lithium is the readily decomposed and small size ions. So come to the reactions. M2CO3 gives using carbon dioxide and water molecules. So what happened? Metal, hydrogen, C, oxygens. How many metal? 2 metals. So how many hydrogen? 2. How many carbons? Here one. So front of you write 2. Oxygen you have to count 3, 5, 6. So here write 3 times 2, 3 is 6. Lower number of element will be balanced means remaining all are balanced. All the carbonate bicarbonate soluble in soluble in water. Soluble in water. Next topic, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate formula Na2CO3.10H2O. Then another name also used. What name used means washing soda. Washing soda. Chemical name is called sodium carbonate. That another name used washing soda. Now preparations. Ammonia react with water and carbon dioxide. Ammonia formula NH3. Water formula H2O. Carbon dioxide CO2. Ammonia taken 2 times. What happened? That hydrogen go to added ammonia. That NH3 converted to NH4. NH4. Oxygen go to added carbon dioxide. So CO2 converted to CO3. NH4 2 times CO3. So ammonia converted to ammonium carbonate. That name ammonia. NH4 twice CO3 called ammonium carbonate. You clearly understand. Ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate react with again hydrolysis in water and NH4 2 times CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. That oxygen go to added CO2. So CO2 converted CO3. Hydrogen go to added center. So what happened the product? NH4 H CO3. NH4 also 2 times, hydrogens also 2 times, carbonate also 2 times. So front of you write 2. Ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate at 10. Ammonium bicarbonate react with NH4 HCO3. Ammonium bicarbonate or ammonium hydrogen carbonate react with sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. What happened? Ammonium chloride. That ammonium taken 1 chlorine. NH4 Cl. Remaining sodium hydrogen CO3. Sodium bicarbonate octane. Sodium bicarbonate react with that react with means decomposed. How many times? 2 times will be taken. What happened? Sodium carbonate octane Na2CO3 Na2CO3 plus 2 hydrogen taken 1 oxygen, so H2O released carbon dioxide. So sodium carbonate prepared. Sodium carbonate prepared. 4 steps will be available. Ammonium reactive means ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate reactive means ammonium bicarbonate. Ammonium bicarbonate gives sodium bicarbonate. Name is sodium bicarbonate. That H person means bi, otherwise called hydrogens. Finally, sodium carbonate obtained. Next, properties. Commonly known as washing soda. Beginning also told, and again properties. Washing soda. Crystallized decahydrate. Crystallized decahydrate. The decahydrate which color means white color. And deca means 10. So hydrate means H2O. Sodium carbonate having 10 H2O means which color is produced? White color. And soluble in water. Soluble in water also. And alkaline solutions. You taste means what happened? Alkaline base will be present. So monocrystalline lost of all the water molecule means formed monohydrate. See the reaction. Na2CO3 dot 10H2O heated means that 9H2O will be released. Remaining having Na2CO3 dot H2O. That is called monohydrate. Monohydrate. That monohydrate again decomposed. Na2CO3 dot H2O. That releasing amount of water. So remaining Na2CO3 plus H2O. Again sodium carbonate at time. Next, uses. First one, sodium carbonate washing known as washing soda, mainly used laundering. Mainly used laundering. Second, treatment of hot water to soft water. Treatment of hot water to soft water. Third point, used in manufacturing of glass, paper, paint, etc. Next topic, sodium chloride. General formula NaCl. Sodium chloride used for cooking, so is called cooking salt. Cooking salt. Other name also present. What name means salt will be present in table, so called table salt. Evaporation of evaporation from saw water. How much percentage obtained means 2.7 to 2.9 percentage of mass obtained. Approximately India produced 15 lakhs of tons produced from salt of evaporation. That means solar evaporations. Approximately for 1 year produced 15 lakhs tons of sodium chloride. Produced solar evaporations. And crude sodium chloride also obtained by crude sodium chloride also obtained by crystallization method. And brine solution of which contains sodium sulfate. What are the solution obtained means sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, and calcium chloride and magnesium chloride. All are is the impurities. So all are is removed means pure sodium chloride will be obtained. All are removed means pure sodium chloride will be obtained. First, removal of insoluble impurities by filtration method. Filtration method will be produced. Minimum amount of water will be used. Sodium chloride can be crystallized in passing of gaseous gas. Sodium chloride melt at how much temperature means 1081 kelvins. More solubility means 36 grams. 36 gram in 100 gram of water. And what temperature used means 273 Kelvin will be used. Does not increase the temperatures. Next uses. Already you know that is the common salt. Which purpose means domestic purpose. Second uses manufacturing of many inorganic compounds. Many inorganic compounds will be used. Example, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Second example, sodium carbonate also used. Next topic, sodium hydroxide. Formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide prepared by electrolysis of brine. By which method means Costner-Kellner. Costner-Kellner cell used. That mercury used for cathode. Carbon used for anode. See the reaction. Cathode. Sodium ions accepted one electron. Which present sodium? That is another name is called amalgam. That amalgam is the mercury. Next at the anode. Anode means chlorine ion decomposed means of Cl2 plus releasing of one electron. So 2 sodium react with hydrolysis H2O is sodium hydroxide and mercury plus hydrogen will be obtained. That is the preparations of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide properties. Sodium hydroxide white color. Second, translucent and deliquidance. Dissolved in water and strongly in alkaline solution. And melt at 591 Kelvin. Sodium hydroxide solution surface react with means carbon dioxide will be produced. So sodium carbonate will be formed. Easily produced sodium carbonate. Uses. First uses. Sodium hydroxide mainly used for purification of backlight and petroleum refining. Second uses textile industries. Third uses manufacturing of soap, paper and artificial silks and etc. Next topic, sodium bicarbonate. Formula NaHCO3. Na is called sodium, H is called bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Another name also used for in surroundings. What name means baking soda. And another name sodium hydrogen carbonate. And used for packing cakes. And generated bubbles of carbon dioxide, leaving the holes in cakes, so making that light fully. The compound prepared by saturating solution of sodium carbonate. sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. The white crystalline powder of sodium carbonate will be obtained. Sodium bicarbonate will be obtained. Uses, first one, that mainly used for packing. Mainly used for packing. Second point, mild antiseptic. Mild antiseptic. And skin infections. Skin infection also used. That is used again used also fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers. Next, biological importance of sodium and potassium. What are the biological importance? Sodium and potassium. Sodium symbol Na, potassium symbol K. Both are monovalent ion. Monovalent ion means Na plus K plus. That large proportions of biological fluids. One man 70 kilogram of man containing. How much means 90 gram of sodium, 170 gram of potassium, and 5 gram of iron, 0.06 gram of copper. Sodium ions found in outside the cells. Outside the cells. And located in blood plasma. Blood plasma. And interstitial fluid. And these very important transmission of nerve signals. Transmission of that sodium ion important work, transmission of nerve signals. And regulating flow of waters. Regulating flow of water. Crossing then transport of sugars. Transport of sugar. Transport of sugar. Amino acid into cell. Amino acid to cell. Sodium and sodium ions, potassium ions mainly used for activated enzymes. Activated enzymes. Penetrated cell membrane. Penetrated cell membrane. And transport of mechanisms. Transport of mechanism. Transport of mechanism. And participate to oxidation of glucose. Participate to oxidation of glucose. And to produce ATP. Produced ATP, sodium, and transmissions of nerve signals. Very important on both elements. Transmit of nerve signals. Figure number 5.4 will be given. Potassium and sodium and potassium pump will be given the diagram. You see the book. Figure number 5.2, sodium and potassium pump will be given. Next, alkaline earth metals, group number 2. What are the element present means beryllium, symbol Be, magnesium, symbol Mg, Ca, symbol calcium, Sr, symbol transium, barium, symbol Ba, radium, symbol Ra. Totally 6 elements are present.